Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. What does CSS stand for? The correct answer is option A, cascading style sheets. Which HTML attribute is used to define inline styles? The correct answer is option B, style. Which character is used to select an element with a specific ID in CSS? The correct answer is option C, hashtag. Which CSS property is used to change the background color of an element? The correct answer is option D, background color. Which property is used to change the text color of an element? The correct answer is option A, color. Which CSS property controls the text size? The correct answer is option B, font size. How do you apply a margin of 10px for the top, 1px for the right, 5px for the bottom, and 20px for the left using shorthand? The correct answer is option C, margin, 10px, 1px, 5px, 20px. Which property is used to change the left margin of an element? The correct answer is option D, margin left. How do you make the text bold in CSS? The correct answer is option A, font weight, bold. How do you display hyperlinks without an underline? The correct answer is option B, text decoration, none. Which property is used to capitalize the first letter of each word? The correct answer is option C, text transform, capitalize. What are the four components of the CSS box model, starting from the outermost layer? The correct answer is option D, margin, border, padding, content. What is the default value of the position property? The correct answer is option A, static. Which property is used to specify the stack order of an element? The correct answer is option B, z-index. How do you select all p elements inside a div element? The correct answer is option C, divp. How do you group multiple selectors to apply the same style? The correct answer is option D, separate each selector with a comma. Which HTML tag is used to reference an external CSS file? The correct answer is option A, link. How do you insert a comment in a CSS file? The correct answer is option B, /*. This is a comment */. Which of the following has the highest specificity? The correct answer is option C, ID selectors. What is the effect of box sizing, border box? The correct answer is option D, padding and border are included in the element's total width and height. Which property is used in flexbox to align items along the main axis? The correct answer is option A, justify content. Which property is used in flexbox to align items along the cross-axis? The correct answer is option B, align items. In CSS Grid, which property is used to define the number and size of columns? The correct answer is option C, grid template columns. How do you remove the bullets from a list? The correct answer is option D, list style type, none. Which CSS pseudo class is used to style an element when a user moves the mouse over it? The correct answer is option A, hover. What does the M unit represent in CSS? The correct answer is option B, relative to the font size of the element. Which property is used to set the transparency of an element? The correct answer is option C, opacity. What is the difference between display, none, and visibility, hidden? The correct answer is option D, display. None removes the element from the flow, visibility. Hidden hides it but keeps its space. How do you select an element with a specific attribute, such as target? The correct answer is option A, target. Which rule is used to apply different styles for different media types/devices? The correct answer is option B, at media. Thank you for watching.